I'm going to show you all the reasons why I thought Javvy was not for me and how it won me over. And hopefully you'll stick around to the very end, because that's when I share a shocking bonus I discovered from adding Javvy to my day. If you're new here, I'm Renee, and I make videos about all aspects of health and wellness, especially for women 40 and over, but truly for anyone. When I was asked to partner with Javvy, all I really knew about Javvy in the beginning was that it had no added sugar, it had no fake sugar, which really appealed to me, and it had some protein in it. That was enough to get me interested. Everyone's trying to get protein in their diet now. I couldn't think of a better way than to slip it in some coffee. When I was filming that first video, I spent some time the day before with my son, who is a big iced coffee fan, and we were practicing making the Javvy because I wanted to be able to do it very smoothly and seamlessly in the video. And it was super easy, and it is so creamy and beautiful and delicious that I was so tempted to try it. So that led to tasting it again and again and again. It was so good. So the next day when I was filming, I kept having to sip it here and there in the video. I made several different glasses of it. I was making it with almond milk. I started to run out of almond milk, and I thought, well, I guess I'm just going to use cold water for the rest of the filming, which I did. I used ice cold filtered water, and can you believe I thought it was even more delicious that way. By the time I was done filming, I was interested in learning even more about Javvy just based on the taste alone. So here are the reasons that I thought Javvy was not for me. I gave up caffeine when I was in college, and let's just say that's been a few years. Anytime I was accidentally served regular coffee in a restaurant or a Starbucks, it would make me feel strange, and I would kind of get a headache, and I just didn't like that feeling. I love the taste of Javvy so much that I was willing to kind of work my way back up to have a little bit of caffeine each day. It never makes me feel jittery. I don't drink it on an empty stomach, which you should never do with coffee. I usually drink it with my lunch, or I have it right after, almost as like a dessert. Okay, the second reason I thought for sure Javvy was not for me was because I just didn't like iced coffee. I tried it. I don't know, to me, cold coffee just didn't work. It never made sense to me. I always had coffee to get that nice, warm, cozy feeling of well-being in the morning when I first get up. And iced coffee just wasn't going to do that for me. The third reason I thought I wouldn't like it is because I had not had instant coffee since sometime in the 90s. After years of gourmet coffees and designer coffee beans, I thought that any instant coffee would taste weak and bland. But when it comes to Javvy, I was totally wrong. The flavor is bold, yet really smooth, which appeals to me. By the end of filming that first video, I was totally hooked on Javvy. I even took it with me on spring break. So every morning when we would order breakfast from room service, I would have them bring me a couple of glasses of really cold water, a bucket of ice, and a little thing of heavy cream. And I would make it in the room. I would have it with my breakfast, or sometimes I would make it and take it down to the beach. Again, the taste was beyond what I ever expected, but at the same time, who couldn't use some extra protein in their day? From the start, I was making it with 2 scoops so that I could get the 20 grams of protein like all my friends were doing. And it was great. I mean, why not get that extra protein? But I didn't notice the biggest benefit until a few days later. Javvy tastes great. It's easy to prepare. It feels special. It comes in a wide array of flavors. But my favorite part, it crushes my cravings for hours. I have it around 1 p.m. and it keeps me completely satisfied until dinner. No cravings, no 4 p.m. rooting around in the pantry looking for chocolate. I don't even think about food all afternoon. For me, that is huge because I'm an afternoon snacker. That 20 grams of protein not only keeps me from snacking, it helps me significantly lower my blood glucose, and it helps me build and preserve muscle, which is so important at my age. So if any of this sounds like you, or you would love to have the benefits of added protein, or that thanks but I'm not hungry feeling all afternoon long, use my link above to check out Javvy's website, and be sure to use my discount code on anything you order. You can save even more when you set up a subscription. The link and the discount code will also be in my description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my health and wellness content, which includes self-care routines, product testing and reviews, fun in the kitchen, and more. I would love to hear from you in the comments section below, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.